Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python pandas is a powerful data manipulation library that provides easy-to-use data structures and functions for working with structured data, such as Excel spreadsheets. In this tutorial, we will explore how to retrieve a row from an Excel spreadsheet using Python pandas based on its index. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Assuming you have an Excel file named data.xlsx with some sample data, you can load it into a pandas data frame using the following code. Replace data.xlsx with the actual path to your Excel file. Now, let's say you want to retrieve a specific row by its index. You can use the LOC accessor provided by pandas. Replace 2 with the index of the row you want to retrieve. The LOC accessor allows you to access a group of rows and columns by labels or a boolean array. Here's the complete code for loading an Excel file and retrieving a row by index. This code assumes that your Excel file is properly formatted, and the index you provide exists in the data frame. Using Python pandas, you can easily load an Excel file, manipulate the data, and retrieve specific rows based on their index. This tutorial provides a basic example, and you can further customize and extend the code according to your specific needs. ChatGPT.